Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a cop light. What I've done already is I've almost got it in. I've installed it on the dash. I've ran the cord up through the dash into here. I'm bringing it all the way down. And then you just put it in between the weather strip. Tuck it underneath. Pretty good. It's pretty easy. Install. Make sure you have a good weather strip. I've made that mistake. And we run it underneath because you don't want to see any wires. You just run it underneath. If you really want, this is a newer one, so all you gotta do is pull this down. If the fucking wants to come down. There you go. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna run it up in here, just like that, just below it. Oh, truck light went out. Let's see if I can get it to come back on. There we go. You guys can't really see that, but I've ran it underneath. So what I'm gonna do is push the trim back in, and on this side as well, so it's in there. It's nice and in there now. And just bring it up, and over here, push it in, your cigarette lighter. Got my exhaust brakes right here, so I gotta figure out how to run my cab light somewhere else now. Well, I guess I can just remove this over here and just plug it in up here. So you know, I got good. Pretty cool. We're gonna use my light bars too. So we're gonna turn that on. It's pretty cool. See, now we're gonna look like a cop. It's pretty cool. Let's turn that off before I get in trouble. Yeah, that's pretty much it. See if I can get my flashlight out for you guys. There we go. You guys can get a look at the truck. Let's see here. Nice pretty front grille. I got pods, 20-inch light bar pod, LED headlights, everything. Just clean the bitch. See, look at that. It's a stock lift. It's white, 4-door, long bed. MT, Mickey Thompson's. Mickey Thompson Deegan 38 rims, Mickey Thompson Deegan 38 tires. 4-wheel drive always. Oh, we don't want you to see that. Here we go. 4-wheel drive. Long door, long bed. America. Performance. It's a pretty sweet truck. Love it. Got a little laser pointer now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. It's my first video, so hope you all like it. Alright, peace. Subscribe.